close as you can get to the natural toilet is a rock with rock formations like this. You might make it yourself, or you might find it in the nature if you're lucky. So how it works is that you really have to find the right spot, because if you don't find the right spot, things go around, and the problem that I was facing sometimes is that your legs become numb, and then you kind of slide to the side because you can't hold yourself, and that's again very difficult. But this is as comfortable as you can get, and you can stay there for hours if it's not too sharp, and enjoy the view. If you're in relatively flat areas, probably the best thing that majority of people are doing is a Slavic squat. So I say Slavic because all the Slavs are aware of it. They know how to do it well. Other people are struggling. They don't do a good position, so they fall in front, or if they are very unlucky, they fall at the back, and that's a shitty situation then. So what you want to do is you have to spread your legs like a frog. You don't stand on your fingertips, because that will give you about a minute of work, which is okay if it's a fast one, but if it's not, it's a problem. So legs flat down in like 90 degrees, and then you sit down. If you have some grass, if you're really unsure, then you can hold yourself for the grass. That could give you some minutes, and you should be fine even for longer periods. If you're in the forest, or in a place where you have again some cliffs or rocks like this, I can show you the method that I like to call Tarzan. So basically, it's for those who don't know how to squat and have problems in flat areas. You need something to hold on to, and again you're practicing your biceps a bit. But if you find a comfortable position, you can stay like that for a while, and you have like thinker's head holder. It's a good one if you need to stay there for a while. It's one of my favorites. Now if you're in a forested area, then you might do the Tarzan one by hugging a tree. If it's a small tree, then you can interlock your fingers, and that's like the most stable position. You can stay there for another maybe minutes maximum. After that it's a bit hard, so that's for a quickie. And don't do it on public places. If you're in the areas with cliffs, you might want to try this method. The problem is that you have to be very careful. So you have to find a good grip. Then your ass has to go over. And then you can do your thing. It's not the most pleasant position, but it's good for stretching legs and arms. What I find problematic about this position is getting away from it without really smearing everything on the rocks around. So you have to be careful. You have to lift yourself up, and then you have to do the cleaning part. But apart from that, I don't see a downside to this option.